Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. Whether you're planting up containers, hanging baskets, or window boxes, Sunshine Container Potting Mix will give your summer potted plants everything they need to grow beautifully. This premium blend contains water-holding crystals to reduce the need to water and to give plants extra moisture when they need it most. Sunshine Container Potting Mix is comprised of Canadian sphagnum peat moss, water-holding crystals, and other fertile ingredients. It also contains a controlled-release fertilizer to feed your plants for up to 6 months, and Resilience, our silicon-enriched additive that may enhance plant growth, flowering, and improved resistance to wilting. Sunshine Container Potting Mix is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit sunshinemixes.com to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Sunshine purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.